So now that you've watched the video on how to make the vocabulary squares, I'm going to talk about the vocabulary words for the first 5 chapters. Our first word is palpable. Palpable means a feeling so strong you can almost feel it. I like to think of a scary movie for palpable. When the bad person is coming and you get really scared, you know what's going to happen, you can feel it tense up, you can feel like there's almost pressure on you. It's very palpable. Another example might be if you are in a crowded place with lines and you can feel everyone's tension and readiness, because they're waiting and they expect something. Also, if you're going on a trip, say you're going to Europe with your family or someplace else exciting and you're very excited, your whole body can feel it. It's palpable. Our next word is distraught. Distraught means very upset, almost crazy by being upset. So if students get a low grade, they might be distraught. If they get yelled at, they might be distraught. If you found out a friend or a relative was sick, you might be distraught. It can be upset as in angry or sad, but it means very strong negative emotion. Our next word is disposition. Disposition is a person's qualities and characteristics. This is kind of what you think about when you think of that person. So sometimes I think of, so some students in class, Yara has a very calm disposition. She is not often angry. She's pretty quiet. Cece has a very active disposition. He is always moving and joking. Okay, so that is disposition. It means a person's characteristics. Okay. Next is chastise. Chastise means to scold or punish. Scold means to yell at someone who did wrong. So you can think about if you're called into Miss Hala's office, you're probably going to be chastised, although she might come in to tell you you did a good job. Okay, so that's chastise. If you use your phone in class, you will probably be chastised. Okay. Petulantly. Petulantly means moody or whiny or bad-mannered. Kind of childishly bad-mannered. So when students say, or when a child says, "That's my toy," or "I don't want to," that's petulantly. Next we have droning. Droning is a type of sound. It means to make a low, continuous humming noise. So planes flying overhead can be droning. Maybe a quiet buzz can be droning. Like if you hear a fly buzzing around just near your ear or mosquito, that could be droning. Usually it's a sound that's low, low being like a man's voice, as opposed to high, like a woman's voice tends to be high. Okay? So those are your words. Please write down the definitions and complete the vocabulary squares. Thank you.